Did you know that an actual chiropractic adjustment could help in preventing an injury? Hi, I'm Dr. Heather, your virtual sports chiropractor, and if you haven't heard yet, I've created 27 tips for runners on injury prevention. If you want to grab the complete guide, go ahead and click the link I've left you down below. But we're going to get started with tip number 12, which talks about chiropractic adjustments. Now, as you all know, I'm a sports chiropractor, so I honestly will encourage everyone gets a chiropractic adjustment. But guess what? You actually don't want to get the adjustment the day of your event, because that could set you up for the injury. The idea is to use the chiropractic adjustments to help in healing the body a lot faster, especially when recovering from an injury, but also allowing the body to have a little bit more increased mobility and flexibility. Because guess what? If you didn't know, a chiropractic adjustment is actually known as like a super stretch. Because what's going to happen is a proprioceptive signal is going to be sent into the belly of the muscle. That's a neurological signal that's going to communicate to the brain to tell that muscle to completely relax and allow for that joint to move a little further. Chiropractic adjustments have been done on athletes for years, and it is something that we always suggest that you take a look at. Now again, for more information on whether or not you should be getting a chiropractic adjustment, or if you want some more information regarding a chiropractor locally in your area to make sure they do deal with sport-specific injuries, feel free to make some comments down below. Now again, these 27 tips for runners on injury prevention are going to be brought to you throughout the course of the next 27 weeks, and they're in no specific order. But next week, we're going to get on to tip number 13, so I hope to catch you in the next video.